back to my channel. So today I'm here so that I can show you few of my silver jewelry, guys. As you know, I'm a very jewelry lover person, so I decided that I can show you few of my jewelry which I have in my closet. So yes, all of them I basically purchased from Myntra. Few of them I purchased from Ever Stylish, and the rest I also purchased from Triple S, guys. So actually there are few of the earrings which I wear with my jeans, with western wear, with ethnic wear, and few of I guess few of my gold jewelries also, because I remember in my brother's wedding I wear some of them with the ethnic and the traditional wear. So yes, guys, so I will show you all of them one by one in this video. So guys, if you want to see all the closet which I have for the jewelry, please watch this video. In the last also there is one surprise for all of you, so stay tuned. Now without wasting time, let's get started. So guys, as you can see, first I have, these are the longet green plus golden texture of the earrings, guys. So this is what you can wear with any of your gown, any of your suit, and if you also want, you can also wear this one on the long dresses that we have, the maxi dresses, and we have the shrugs, guys. So you can wear with any of the dress, and these are my favorite one also. So I have started with this one, if you can see. And I also show you in my one of my dress with which I wear this one. So here is the look for that dress. So guys, the next we have the dangles. These are the dangles, square basis dangles, which you can wear with any of your western dress, your jeans, your jaggings. And I would suggest you guys, these are the very beautiful dangles which you can wear also on the daily basis. No special occasion is required for this one. So yes, you can try this one, guys. The next we have, I will show you, the next we have is again the green color jhumkas, guys, that I purchased from I guess, yes, from Ever Stylish. And these are very beautiful, guys. You can wear this with your white color or black color kurtis, guys. You can even wear with any sari, plain sari, or any of the dress you can wear this one, guys. And I will also let you know the one thing about this. If you can see in the zoom, these jhumkas are considering of the very beautiful and the deep architecture of the Bhojpuri, guys, if I can say you, yeah, Rajasthani texture, guys. So these are one of the thing which can beautifully go with your ethnic wear, guys. So yes, you can also try this one, and I purchased of around 350, guys. So these are not a bad deal. You can buy them from Ever Stylish. Next, what we have, okay guys, so next I can show you. So guys, next is the brown color. Okay, let me open this one and I can show you. Actually guys, these are the one of the earrings which is very light, and as you can see, these are considering of brown color pearls in 4 or 5 layers, guys. And if you can wear with any of your jeans, top, or even though you can also wear on the daily basis, guys, with any of your dress, it will definitely go with any of your dress. So this is the one which I purchased from Myntra, I guess, and they are around 250. So it is very cheap deal, guys. You can purchase them. You can must try it. And next, what we have in my closet is, I will show you. Okay, now guys, if you can see, we have this blue and white color pulse triggering earrings. So these are one of the earrings that will definitely go with your ethnic wear, including your sari. If you are wearing the plain sari without any jewelry, and if you can wear this one, guys, so this will definitely go with your any of the dress. So these are the thing which I purchased from I guess Triple S, and these are very pretty. And I think this is one which I wear with my, let me think, yeah, with my white dress, white suit. I don't know if I have the picture of that. If I have, I will definitely show at the end in the video. So
yes guys, you can also go with them. Next what we have, okay, let me show you something. Okay guys, so guys, if you can see, we have these pretty jhumkas from Ever Stylish, and these are the one which are very beautiful. If you can see, you can see guys, this will definitely go with your white, purple or any of the outfit. And these are the ones guys that I have purchased from, I guess, Myntra. And the beautiful part of this earrings is that these are considering of the orange pearls all over the layer at the edge of the earrings, but in the outermost these are considering of red color also. So red pearls are also there at the end. So if you can see, these are very best going with your outfit or your suits. So you can also try this one. I think I haven't tried this one yet, but I am just waiting. I will wear it and also show my outfit and how it's going. I will also show you and share with you guys, so stay tuned for this one. Next what we have in our closet, I will show just a second guys. Okay, the next we have in our closet is this. These are very beautiful peacock shaped earrings guys, and these are something that you can wear with the ethnic, not with the western or the jeans and tops, because these are considering of the shape and the architecture of little bit traditional wear. So they will definitely go with some of your traditional and ethnic wear, not with the your western dresses. The next what we have, I can show you. There are many things guys, so it's just making me how I can show you. Okay, just a second. Actually I want to show you this beautiful pinkish color jhumka, but I'm just wondering where is the another piece of this one. Okay guys, so before I will found that one, I will just show this. This is a very pretty jhumka guys, and you can wear it with any of your suit, any of your pinkish color dress. It will definitely go with, and you can even try this one with your western dress. I don't know how it will look, but yes, definitely the fusion will look definitely very awesome. So you can try with this. The next what we have is, okay, I can show you. I have another dangles guys. If you can see, I have square dangles, I have round dangles, and now I have the triangle one also. So as you can see guys, I love dangles very much. So these are I have in the 3 layer the triangle shape. If you can see, this will definitely go with your any of your western dress guys, and you can also wear in your daily basis because they are very light. So you can also try with this one guys. If you can wondering from where I purchased this one, so this one also purchased from Ever Stylish, and you will be surprised guys. I will let you know why, because these are just for 30 rupees. So if you want to try this one, you can buy this one from Ever Stylish guys, and the shining of this one is commendable. Because why I'm saying this, because this is what I have from last 3 to 4 years, and if you can see, this is still the same as I have purchased. So the quality is very best. So you can also. The next we have is this pink jhumkas guys. If you can see, now I will share. These are the one which I wear at the wedding of my, I guess, yes, at the wedding of my brothers, with the pinkish color of the lehenga. I will also show the pic of that one. If you can see at the right side of mine, there is this lehenga, the dress, and with that I wear this pinkish color earrings, not earrings exactly, jhumkas. And with this one guys, I also have the mang tika. If you can see, this is the lovely mang tika with this one. So I also wear this one. If you can see, you can just wear this mang tika, and it will definitely go with any of your outfit, including your lehengas with this one. So this is a complete set guys. If you can see, This is a complete set, and I will tell you that this is one thing which I not purchase online, but I go to one of my favorite market, that is in Ghaziabad, that is Turabnagar market, and there is one shop from where I purchase some these kind of stuff if I want to wear in some of my special occasions. So my brother's wedding is one of them, so I go to that market and I purchased this one, guys. If you can see, next what we have, if I can show you. So next, guys, I have another set of jhumkas, if you can see, that I wear at the engagement of my brother. So I have if you want to know what are the dresses that I wear in my brother's wedding, so you can just check out my my last video that in which I have shown 5 best kurtis, and also I shown few of the dresses that I wear at my brother's wedding. So these are the jhumkas that I wear at the engagement, and here is the image of that one, guys. And this is, yes, these are the one that I wear with this dress, and if you can see, they are very very pretty, so you can also try with this one. But yes, this is what I don't purchase online. This is I purchase going to the Turabnagar market, guys. So yes, okay, going forward, what I have for the earrings, guys. So guys, next we have, these are the golden jhumkas, which is one of my favorite jhumkas, and this is what I wear at my brother's roka. So if you want to see the dress, so here is the dress of this one, guys, and these are very 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 beautiful jhumkas. And as you can see in the photo, that I don't wear any of the jewelry, I just wear this one with that lehenga, and these are looking very amazing, guys. So you can also try this one. And this is again that I purchased from the Turabnagar market. So all the jewelries that I wear in my brother's wedding, I purchase offline. I don't purchase any of them with the Myntra or any of other sites. So these are that one golden jhumkas, guys. Next one. So guys, if you can see, I shown you the square one, I shown you the square angles, then I also show you the triangle. Now last but not the least, I also have the circle. So these are the all of the dangles that I have purchased from Ever Stylish, guys, and I will show you that it will look awesome when you wear with any of the dress. So these are the awesome one, guys. You can try this one. I'm telling you, this will look very very beautiful. So you can try all of these dangles, guys. I have in my closet. Next. So the next thing, guys, that I have is not the earrings, but this is one of the jewelry. It's a kind of bracelet, guys. If you can see, this is the one bracelet that I wear in my brother's wedding, yeah, main day, with the lehenga. So in one of my hand, guys, I wear just my pretty watch, and in the other side I just wear this one. So if you want to see, you can see, this is a very beautiful, okay, let me show you like this. This is very beautiful, guys, and the fitting of this one is also looks pretty. So you can try this one. Yes, if I can show you, can try. So guys, the next what we have is this pinkish color earring. These are the long earrings, guys, if you can see, and these are the little bit heavier one. So I just wear them when I need it, because this is something which is not comfortable, guys. So this is which I purchased from the Myntra, and the cost of this is, I guess, these are of I don't remember exactly, but I think these are 550 or 700. I really don't remember, but yeah, this is one thing which I also have in my closet, so I want to show you. Now after the earrings, guys, I also want to show you, which is not the earrings, but yeah, these are the beautiful hair clips. So I also purchased them from the Ever Stylish. So this is the one which you can go with your ethnic wear and tying your, if you, maybe I can show you, no, like this, if you want to wear your, and it will looks very pretty, if you can see, guys. So you can, yes, go with this one. This is not very much costly, guys. This is, I guess, around 200 or 250, I don't remember exactly, but yeah, these are the pearl considering hair clips, so you can go with this one also. Now guys, I seriously, if I can show you, there are many of the silver jewelries which I cannot show every of my jewelry to in the single video. So now over to few of the rings which I have. So if you can show, if you can see in my hands, I also have this ring, I have the gold rings, and this is one of my diamond ring which I got from my brother's in his wedding. So next, if you can see, there are many of the rings, but I cannot show every one. So I will show you one of my beautiful ring that I wore at my lehenga. If you can see, this is one thing I really like a lot, if you can see. And this is the one which I purchased from Ever Stylish. I will tell you guys, from the Ever Stylish, the stuff are very good. The rates are also very good. So you can try for the everstylish.com at least once. Guys, last but not the least, I have one more prettiest jhumkas. If you can see, these are the one that I purchased from Myntra, guys. So the quality, if you can see, the quality is very good, and you can try this one. These are of approximate 600, guys, and these are the thing that you can wear with your ethnic wear. And if you can see at the boundary of these jhumkas, guys, there are a very beautiful lining with the crystal white colors. So this is what you can try at least for once and purchase from Myntra, guys. So actually guys, I thought to show you all of my jewelries, including my earrings, including my sets, my bridal sets, but I think it will be heavier video for you guys. So what I will do, I will create another video which consists of all of my gold jewelries, including the sets and the necklaces that I have in my closets. And for today, as you see, all of my silver jewelries, including earrings, guys. So I hope you like my video, and if you like that video, do like, share and subscribe my channel. And also, if some of them are not subscribed my channel yet, do subscribe my channel. And also guys, now the time where I will reveal the surprise. I hope you all have watched my complete video. So thanks for that, for watching my complete video. And now if I want to share what is the surprise, guys, any guesses? Okay, let me share the surprise. The surprise is the one thing that, guys, I'm preparing for a one kind of giveaway. If someone who reads my community chat also aware that I'm preparing a kind of contest, yes, so it's a kind of giveaway, guys. So in which what you need to do is, you need to just comment, like, share and subscribe my channels. And if you do like my videos, and if you want to provide me some of the suggestions, you just need to mention in the comment section. And also you need to subscribe my channel, guys. And not one, not two, not three, 20 lucky winners will get chance to get gift from my side, guys. Yes, in this giveaway, what I am doing, I will prepare 20 gifts for 20 lucky winners. So who wants to participate in this, guys, just do the steps which I have mentioned. I will also mention the steps clearly in this video. And yes, so if you want to get this gift, and if you also want to update it with my channel, guys, do the same. So thanks everyone for watching. I hope you like it. Bye bye.